Hey guys, we have here the Sony Bluetooth speaker SRS-XB13. In this video I want to show you how to remove the grill on top of the driver so that we can see the driver actually in action. So all we need is a small prying tool. In this case I'm using here the nail file from my Swiss Army knife. I'm just going to go right on the side of the grill and I'm looking for these little holes that are really close to the plastic. So I'm sticking the file in there and then I'm just lifting that portion of the grill up just a little bit, and then I'm working my way around the grill. So we're going up with the grill just step by step everywhere, and within a couple of minutes the grill is going to be out most of the way. So I'm just going to need here a couple more of those pries. You can actually see how the grill slowly lifts up and then eventually it will pop out. And now we can remove the grill and completely see the driver here. Reinstalling the grill isn't too hard either. Just have to remember where the correct location or orientation of the grill is. Inside of the speaker you can look for those little holes or slots that are located all around the driver. And then the wire mesh of the grill is supposed to go in there. And then you see like the biggest cutout on the grill. See on the side here, this one. That goes right where the strap is attached to the speaker. So you just rotate it like this. You see here the big cutout right by the strap. Look for those slots in the speaker and then press down firmly on the grill and it will slide in there really easy. Okay, so then it looks like we never even took it out. So you just press it down all the way. Okay, so this was it for the video. Hope it was helpful. If you like it, give me a thumbs up.